For the first time in history, witness the revolutionary collaboration between humans and generative AI, transforming creativity, industries, and innovation. This partnership crafts stunning visuals, immersive text, and realistic simulations. Discover how human ingenuity and AI power combine to shape the future and unlock endless possibilities. This is the Cloud's Guru, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest videos. What is generative AI? Generative AI, or generative artificial intelligence, refers to a class of AI systems capable of generating content. Unlike traditional AI, which typically focuses on recognizing patterns and making predictions, generative AI can create new data. This includes text, images, music, and even video. One of the most well-known examples is OpenAI's GPT, which can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Another example is DALL-E, which creates images from textual descriptions. These systems rely on deep learning algorithms and large data sets to learn the structure and intricacies of the content they are trained on. Generative AI has significant importance across various fields. In creative industries, it offers tools for artists, designers, and writers to generate novel ideas and content, enhancing productivity and fostering innovation. In the business world, generative AI can automate content creation, personalize marketing campaigns, and enhance customer interactions through chatbots. In healthcare, it aids in creating synthetic data for research, drug discovery, and even generating medical reports. Furthermore, generative AI can play a crucial role in education by developing personalized learning materials and providing assistance in various languages. Its ability to create realistic simulations like gaming, virtual reality, and simulation-based training. How does generative AI work? Primarily, relies on deep learning techniques, particularly neural networks. The process begins with training a model on a large dataset, allowing it to learn patterns and structures within the data. One common approach is using generative adversarial networks, which consists of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new data samples, while the discriminator evaluates their authenticity. Over time, the generator improves its ability to create realistic data as it learns to fool the discriminator. Another approach is the use of variational autoencoders, which learn to encode data into a latent space and then decode it back into the original format, generating new samples in the process. What are the models of generative AI? Generative adversarial networks, GANs, are widely used for generating realistic images, videos, and even music. They consist of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, which compete with each other to improve the quality of generated data. Variational autoencoders are used for generating data with a probabilistic approach. They encode input data into a latent space and then decode it back, allowing the generation of new similar data samples. Recurrent neural networks and long short-term memory networks. These models are particularly useful for generating sequential data, such as text and music. They can learn patterns over time, making them suitable for tasks like language modeling and text generation. Transformers. Transformers like GPT-3 have revolutionized natural language processing and generation. They use attention mechanisms to process and generate text, allowing them to handle large amounts of data and produce coherent, contextually relevant content. The future of generative AI. The future of generative AI holds immense potential. As these models continue to improve, they will become even more adept at creating high-quality, diverse content. Advances in AI research are likely to lead to more sophisticated and efficient models, reducing the computational resources required for training and inference. Ethical considerations and regulations will also play a crucial role in shaping the future of generative AI, ensuring responsible use and mitigating potential risks. The future of jobs having generative AI and the market. The rise of generative AI will inevitably impact the job market. While it is poised to automate certain tasks, it will also create new opportunities and demand for AI-related skills. Professionals will need to adapt by acquiring new skills and embracing lifelong learning. Collaboration between humans and AI will become a key aspect of the future workforce. leading to more innovative and efficient ways of working. As generative AI continues to evolve, it will shape the future of work, creating new opportunities and challenges. Quite an adventure, isn't it? Are you now ready to dive into generative AI with me now? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into cloud computing. See you in the next one.